Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Tisha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. Thank you so much for pouring a lot of love on part 1 of Kapila and Sonal Banerjee's home tour. We have already seen entrance, foyer, living room and balcony, and today we'll check out all the other parts of her home. But before that, I have a small request. If you're watching this video, then probably you like home decor. So if you don't want to miss any update from my side, then subscribe to my channel right now and hit that like button so that you don't miss any update from my side. Also, I share lots of ideas and inspirations on Instagram as well. Here is my Instagram ID. Connect with me there too. And I have added all the important links in description box below, so don't forget to check out. That's all. Now let's start the home tour. Now from the living room, we are heading to the dining room. And like all the other rooms in her home, Kapila has made sure to use lots of cardboard like this shelf and panel. Now let's take a look at some statement pieces in the dining room. This was a bed picked from an antique shop in Chhattisgarh that Kapila has converted into a daybed. Fascinating fact is that carving on it depicts the story of Dashera. Traditional and modern pieces find a balanced and pleasing arrangement in Kapila's home. Dining table here is also an attention-grabbing piece of furniture. In one corner is this unique bar seating with a glass jar hanging in the middle of the table to store wine. Shelf in an unusual shape houses the most beautiful decor accents from around the world. This carved wooden panel above the shelf is from Nairobi, and it depicts the everyday life of African tribe. This lamp is carved out of a single tree trunk, and it also depicts social life of African tribe. Yes, it's a grandfather's clock ringing and quite old and still working. This side of the dining room houses extremely beautiful shelves. Peacock corbel is restored from a temple that was being demolished near Madhavgarh in MP, and Kapila converted it into a shelf. Now take a peek inside her family room that doubles up as a puja, entertainment and reading room as well. Daybed here is a multifunctional piece of furniture. The painting above the bed is inspired from S.H Raza's work done by Kapila herself. She even managed to get similar cushion too. Here is a reading corner. Carved wooden pieces and brass knobs are a result of Kapila's creativity. This is Kapila and Sonal's twin daughter's room. Bunk bed from Kenya solves all the storage problem and frees up the space. Feature wall has lots of colors and geometric patterns, so opt for kids' room. master bedroom is a furniture that has my heart. This cute little boat is made in Indonesia that Kapila has bought in Kenya. I just loved its simple shape and curve. Another statement piece in master bedroom is this trunk that looks so amazing. And this brings me to the end of this home tour. So I hope you liked part 2 as much as you enjoyed watching part 1. If so, then leave me a comment and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And here is Kapila's Instagram ID. Go have a look and get inspired. So that's all from my side today. Bye-bye, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, watch the first part of Kapila's home tour, or if you're looking for some budget decorating ideas, then check out this video.